Awesome, I gotta record this again because I had a booger in my nose the last take and I didn't see it. Hey guys, welcome back to my series of documented panic attacks. You people terrify me. I know I haven't posted much about the Buddy Squad audio play in a while, and that's because I've been spending all my time just producing the damn thing. That, and for some reason I get more anxious recording myself than live streaming. I don't really know why. It's just a camera, Bert. It can't hurt you. Anyway, I put together a demo reel of my sound effects to show you all what I've been working on this whole time. So slip those headphones on, give it a listen, and pop on down in the comments and let me know what you think. Did you love them? Did you hate them? Did they make you immediately projectile vomit like they do me? Any feedback there will be helpful. All right, I'm gonna play them now. I'm just gonna go now. Yeah. Anyway, please be sure to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Twitch. All those links will be in the description below. I also made a community Discord page for Buddy Squad. The link for that's in the description as well. Thanks, bye.